Okay, hello everyone, welcome to this video lesson. What I'm trying to do is to explain the usage of stacks in terms of solving an arithmetic problem like this. We will push all operands onto this stack, all parentheses onto this stack, all operators onto this stack. And the rule is that every time we come to a closing parens, we must pop from the character stack and then perform the arithmetic operation that's on the operands and operator stack. So I'm going to take this parentheses and push it onto the character stack. Next character is a parentheses. I'll push that into the character stack. Then I have a number 2, so that goes into the operator stack. Then I have a multiplication symbol right here, so we'll put that into the operator stack. Then I have a number 3, that's an operand. Now I have a closing stack. The rule is every time you have a closing, I said closing stack again, I must have a neurological thing. This closing parentheses means that I pop the most recent item from the character stack. So this means I'm going to pop this. Then I perform the mathematical operation that exists with the operand and the operator stack. So I've got to pop this 3. And so why don't I just do this here? I just take that 3, pop it, so I move it over here. Take that operand operator item and pop it. And then take the next operand and pop it. So this is what I have. Let's perform the operation. And so this is equal to 6. Let's take that 6 and push it onto the operand stack. Okay, so that takes care of that. That happened because we reached a closing parens. Now let's move on from there. So the next item that I have is the multiplication symbol. So I put that over here. The next item that I have is a number. The next item that I have is a closing parens. The rule of the closing parens is to pop the character stack. So we're going to pop the character stack. And then we perform the arithmetic operation that exists, which is 2 times 6. So I pop this guy. Then I have to pop the multiplication symbol from the operator stack. And then I also have to pop this operand, put it over here. Let's perform the arithmetic operation, which is 2 times 6, which is equal to 12. And then I take that 12 and I push it onto the operand stack. 12. That happened as a result of reaching this closing parens. So now we continue from here. So I have a plus symbol. I have the number 4. That's an operand. And then we're done. So now I perform the operations that are available on my operand and operator stack. I got to pop those and figure out what that operation is, or what the result is of that operation. So we'll take the 4 and we'll pop it. And of course, you know pop means remove from. We're going to pop the operator stack. And then finally, we're going to pop the operand stack. Now, I figure out what this is. 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. I take that 16 and I push it onto the operand stack. And now I have the answer. So once I've done this mathematical operation, I can then say cout in C++, say for example. I can cout or output what the answer is in the stack. But first of all, let me just make sure that this is in fact correct. Let's see here. 2 times 3, we know from mathematical precedence, you always do what's inside of the innermost parentheses first. So 2 times 3 is 6. Then 6 times 2 would be 12, and then 12 plus 4, that's 16. Okay, so this worked out. Okay. And that's it. So this is Professor Robert Solis. I hope this video lesson was helpful. Have a good day. See you next time.